So this is where things are going to get interesting. I hear behind me, I hear a deer literally crunching directly behind me. I can't turn around because I know if I do that, the buck that's looking in my direction is going to give away my position, and also the deer that's behind me is going to see me. So of course I couldn't move, I couldn't do anything. So I'm literally stuck in the position that I'm stuck at. So the buck is actually still looking in the direction of the other deer. And I'm like, you know what? I should have had a camera behind me, but I didn't. The next time I go out, I'm going to have a camera behind me for sure. Now, this goes on for about 20 minutes. Between 20 to 25 minutes, that deer is behind me and I cannot move. Like I said, I don't know if it was a buck or a doe, but I was stuck. And I got to tell you, it was so much fun. It was great. So about 20 to 25 minutes go by, and the other deer that was behind me finally leaves. I'm able to turn around and take a look. But the buck that was out in front of me actually goes back in the woods a little bit because I heard another deer. So I put my ear protection on, thinking I'd be ready by the time a deer comes out. Well, the buck that was in front of me, the little spike, and also the other deer that I heard, they never came back out. So that was literally the end of my hunt. But I did hear about maybe 4 shots prior to me leaving. But it was a really, really fun hunt. You all, not every time that you go out are you going to shoot anything. And I've mentioned that before. It's a good experience being in the woods. And you all, it's a fun, fun experience. Again, thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, Ghost of Mars out.